Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Septekon camera that is keep going offline in 2026. Now, many Septekon cameras behave like entry-level Wi-Fi cameras and struggle with the modern routers. So, if your Wi-Fi uses the combined bands or advanced security settings, the camera may disconnect. So you need to go into your router's settings in order to fix it. Inside it, simply switch to 2.4 gigahertz only with simple security like WPA2. Then you need to simply reconnect the camera after this particular change. If the connection still drops even after doing this step, you can just simply try improving the signal consistency and not just the strength. Even if your Wi-Fi shows full bar, unstable signal can still cause the offline issues. Sometimes wall or any kind of interference or any kind of long distance can break the connection repeatedly. So make sure that the camera is closer to the router, or you can reposition the router for clearer path. The cameras are sensitive to the low quality adapters. If the power supply is weak, the camera may restart and appear offline. So you need to simply use the original adapter or a high quality replacement and make sure that the cable is firmly connected. So if your network is busy with the streaming or downloads, your camera may disconnect. So make sure that you limit heavy usage or upgrade your router for better stability. Now, if you have tried all of these methods properly and nothing is working, the last thing that you can do is you can just simply do a hard reset. For that, you just have to press and hold the reset button on your camera, then wait for some time until it resets, and then you need to start the connection process again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.